Hi, I'm Freedom. I'm a faculty member with Rule 1. I had a career before Rule 1. I was actually in the corporate world. All my education and my background is actually in finance, accounting, and investing. So it was probably a pretty natural progression to go into diving into investing with Rule 1. Some pieces were a little easy for me, but I also had to untrain some of my habits or thoughts as well. But that's my background. And now I'm really in higher education. I've worked in the energy industry most of my career, and that's very male dominated. So all my career, I've mainly worked with men. There are a lot of stereotypes out there about investing and that it's not a field for women. And I can tell you right now, I'm in it and I'm successful in it and I love it. And so that's not my experience, but I do know that I have a lot of good girlfriends who they'd rather just keep their money in a savings account at the bank. And they're amazing savers, but I say, just imagine if you put that into the stock market. And I do the whole compounded interest thing and show them what it's worth. And that usually gets them to a Rule 1 course, but we need to be in there. Women are dealing with a lot of things. So we have to ditch those stereotypes. It really isn't a boys' club anymore. And investing doesn't care what gender you are. Women need to grab this opportunity and really take control of it. It might seem like it's difficult when you first walk in or a little challenging. It's like learning a new language, but you put in a little bit of that effort and there can be huge rewards for women. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to stand to say, women need to be in this field. We can build our financial foundation and take care of ourselves. It's about our freedom and our choices and our independence if we do this. You have to realize we also deal with a wage gap. So naturally, we're already being paid at about, they say, I think in 2022, about 82% of what a man is making. And then if that's over a lifetime, you're also being introduced to what they call a gender gap. And so our wealth gap, I should say, a wealth gap. And so at the end of our lifetime, I think on average, have about 65% of the wealth of what a man does. And then on top of it, we have this, what they consider a longevity risk, which is really, we're living longer. So building our financial security is essential at this point. We need to find other ways than just the corporate job or whatever job you're currently in. You need to find something to add to it. And that's what Rule 1 gave me, is another path to ensure that I am building financial stability for my family. To be honest with you, women actually bring a lot to the table in the investing world. We are naturally long-term thinkers. We're a little risk adverse. We love to do our research. So these are the skills that make you successful in investing. And so I tell all my friends, all my girlfriends, just jump in, because the rewards that you will get from it, to me, what I've received is this empowerment, this independence. I can do this on my own. I don't need any crutch, anything else from anyone else. This is something I can do. I can lead and build and take care of myself. And that's what I see as the gift of Rule 1, is the ability to learn how to do this on our own. Rule 1 has impacted my life in many ways. And of course, you start with the standard financially. I have been very successful with Rule 1 strategies, and that's an amazing gift to myself and to my family. However, there's been a lot more than just that. From the workshop, that hope, they really gave me hope, as I've said, when I didn't have it, and gave me excitement for my future, and took away some worry and concern, and helped me realize that I didn't have to live a story of financial instability. I was going to create a different story for myself and for my family. And that's what I believe I'm giving to my son. I'm giving my son the knowledge and the skills to move on and have and dream the life that he wants to dream, and also learn the responsibility of wealth and money, that you can use that to make amazing choices in your life, to donate, or just to get the education you want, or just to make the impact you do. So Rule 1 it's changed my life. It's given me hope. It's given me financial stability, and it's allowed me to give my son the life that I want to give him.